We are here to continue the restoration project of Levi's OBS. We got a problem. We got a play down. We're going to show you how we're going to change that bulb. Might be simple, might be silly, but somebody's going to be interested in seeing it. So give this video a thumbs up on the way in and let's see how easy it is to change this bulb. It's something you're going to figure out how to do, Levi. The first thing is grab a Phillips screwdriver, not a tiny one, but a medium-sized screwdriver. And we got to take the screws out. And the reason why we're changing this because we are what? What are we getting ready to do next week?
Get it inspected.
We're getting this truck inspected. And of course, we know part of inspection is making sure all the lights work. Okay, you got the screws out. And let's see, let's show me here what it looks like in here. Oh, you got this harness right here to pull apart. Take out, pick up on the tab, right? Can you show it to me? Oh, you don't want to drop that down in.
It doesn't go.
Oh, it don't go down in. Okay. Pick up on that tab with your thumbnail, or a flat screwdriver would work if you had one handy. There's a screwdriver. Now, when you have to be really careful when you pick up on that. Don't pick it real high, and don't pull on your harness. You gotta hold on one end like this, lift up, and just wiggle a little bit. Not the screwdriver, but the. Is it coming off some? I see it tabs up a little bit. Yeah, you just wiggle just a little bit because these old vehicles, the stuff's delicate. There we go. Popped out like that. Let's see what's this look like then. How are we getting into?
We need that light and that light.
Okay, let's investigate this. And you said it's this side? Mm-hmm. Oh, you're right. That is. Must have got super hot in there. So you should be able to turn that one way or the other. And it shouldn't be far, and then it should pop out.
You sure? It just doesn't pop out? It looks like it's just a rubber seal.
Okay. Is that how it is? Yep, it's just maybe it does just pop out. Okay. Now, what's the recommendation when you change a bulb? Do you know?
Change all of them?
Change both of them. Yep, it really got hot down in there. But that's not going to hurt it. It's on the inside. So I wouldn't, I would change all three of them while we're at it. Because bulbs are that's real cheap in comparison to other repairs. Okay.
Pop them back in.
No, you don't have to. And then pop that one out. This is probably the same bulb. It's probably they're all clear. Be my guess.
That might be part of the reason.
Oh, that is the reason. There's no bulb in there. You know why?
Oh, because he had that one.
He had a light on the back on the cap. So he took the bulb out. Why don't we take that apart and double check them to see if they're the same. Same type of bulbs. I'm guessing they're probably all the same, so it looks like. All right, now what are we doing next? Headed to the auto parts store. Now we'd like to buy our stuff on Amazon, and we'll put a link in the bottom description for these lights for those that you want to prepare ahead of time and you like to buy stuff off Amazon. But we don't have time to wait because this thing needs inspected. All right, we're headed to the store. Okay, we got the light bulb sent way, but guess what? We forgot one thing. We should have dielectrical grease to put on inside here on these terminals. We did forget that, so for the sake of making this video, we're going to add that later. You put that in there, put those back, push those back in, and we're going to go ahead and replace all three like we said earlier.
Well, this one didn't even have one, so.
Yeah, and that's because they had the cap. So put that in there. And then the third one. And push that back into position, right?
Correct.
Snap that back in place. A little tough one. Now, before you tighten that down completely, you want to put the other one in so that make sure they line up. Yep, you always get them all in loose to start with and then tighten them up. And then you have to be careful not making it too tight, because this plastic can break easily. Yep, make it tight enough that it's not going to leak around here.
Good.
So what's next?
Test them.
Test them! Well, Levi's going to jump down in there and get in and test them. Okay, they're working. The white ones are working now. Turn the key and push on the brake. Well, actually, you don't have to turn the key for the brake, I don't think. Nope, you're good. Push the brake. Yep, it's working. You don't have to have the key turned for the brakes. All right, another successful project completed. So give this video a thumbs up on your way out if you haven't on your way in. And just hang around because there's another video to follow on the next project. That's the taillights. Have a good day.